Yeah, good morning, everyone. I'm Rohit Gupta, working as assistant professor in St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management in Applied Science Department. Your subject is probability and statistics in semester 2, computer science and engineering. Today's topic, bivariate distribution. Bivariate distribution. In previous topic, we have discussed discrete distribution, discrete random variable, continuous random variable, and its properties and methods. What we are used in continuous random variable and discrete random variable. Such as example, in discrete random variables, we are using binomial method. But in case of continuous random binomial distribution and Poisson distribution. But in case of continuous distribution, we are using uh, two methods, uniform distribution and normal distribution. And one another method is exponential distribution. Bivariate is nothing but a same type of different distribution, but there is a there is some changes, because if I'm asking about bivariate, that means bi means two, variate means variables. That means two variables are there. How many variables are there? There are two variables. Understood? Okay. Then just a second. There are two variables are there. Okay. In discrete case we have studied about only one variable case. जैसे हमने इस वन डिस्क्रीट रैंडम वेरिएबल डिस्कस किया था, तब हमने वन वेरिएबल किया था. ठीक है. अब हम जितने भी डिस्क्रीट रैंडम वेरिएबल डिस्कस किया था, जितने भी मेथड्स है, हम सारे टू वेरिएबल में डिस्कस करेंगे. दैट इज कॉल्ड बाइवेरिएट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. समटाइम्स इन योर एग्जामिनेशन they ask, what is the bivariate distribution? Bivariate distribution are the probability that a certain event will occur when the certain event occur certain event occur a certain event will occur when there are two independent random variables. What is bivariate distribution? Bivariate distribution are the probability that a certain event will occur when there are two independent random variables in your scenario. It can be in list form or table form. Okay. The distribution tells you the probability of each possible event or choice of your scenario. Understood? Okay. Joint probability density function means here there are two variables. Okay. Where both are independent. Two independent random variable in your scenario. Understood? Then joint probability density function are PMF, means joint probability mass function. What is probability density function? Joint means joint is used for two variable. Okay, two variable or three variable means more than one variable. So joint probability density function, that density function किसके लिए use होता है? That is used for continuous case. And PMF, that means probability mass function, that means it's for डिस्क्रीट केस. डिस्क्रीट के लिए क्या यूज करते हो? मास फंक्शन के लिए यूज करते हो, मास फंक्शन यूज करते हो. एंड कंटीन्यूअस के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? डेंसिटी फंक्शन. अंडरस्टूड है? देन टू मोर देन वन वेरिएबल के लिए लेंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे? दैट इज जॉइंट प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन. लेट xy बी अ 2D रैंडम, टू डायमेंशनल discrete random variable. Understood? This is two dimensional discrete random variable, and let probability of x equals to xi and comma y equals to yj. Means x is a random variable and x1 x2 x3 x4, that is x are events, and y is also a random variable in two dimensional case है ना. जब अगर 2D लेते हैं तो 2D में क्या होगा? एक x एक्सिस होगा and another one is y axis. तो x एक्सिस को हम टेकन, x is a random variable, one random variable, and y is another random variable. So if I'm talking about discrete random variable, then x equals to x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 x6, something like that. And y is equal, if I'm talking about y also, then y की वैल्यू क्या होगी, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 और कहां तक जाएगा, that is ym तक. Understood है? तो we can say that probability of x equals to xi, comma y equals to yj means it's this probability depend only two events, xi and yj. So this can be written as probability of x equal to xi intersection of y equals to yj. Means you can also read that probability of x equal to xi and y equals to yj. This can be shown as probability of pij. That means probability of ith x ith into I pij, ith row and jth column. Understood? Then Pij is called the joint probability function of xy if the following conditions satisfy. जैसे आप पीडीएफ के केस में क्या होता था, there are three conditions, that means probability of p is greater pi greater than 0. Understood? Sigma pi equals to 1 and another one is की probability निकालते थे. सेम एज आप यहाँ पे क्या करोगे, जॉइंट प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी फंक्शन, जॉइंट प्रोबेबिलिटी फंक्शन में क्या होगा, देयर आर सम कंडीशंस, इट फॉलोज सम कंडीशन. दैट मींस फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज probability of pij greater or equals to 0 for all ij. Means you as you know that probability must be positive for all, that means pij is greater than 0 for all ij. Sigma I equal to 1 to I equal to 1 to n and j equal to 1 to m, sigma pij equals to 1. Understood? Joint probability function. We can represent this joint probability then distribution function in table form. How can I represent? This is x and this one is y. Means जो horizontals होगा वो x1 x2 means rows जो होंगे, that is verticals, sorry verticals, x1 row, x2 row, x3 row, x4 row, similarly xith row and xmth row. These are called events and corresponding y1, y2, y3 and yz such that continue point to yn. Okay, तो x1 and y1 पॉइंट पे क्या होगी इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी p11, x1 और y2 पे क्या होगी p12. मींस आप क्या करोगे, दिस इज रो एंड दिस वन इज कॉलम. तो सिमिलरली अगर हम p ith रो सॉरी p1 एंड jth कॉलम तो क्या होगा p1j, सिमिलरली p1m. अंडरस्टूड है? ओके, नेक्स्ट वाले में क्या होगा, सेकंड रो दैट इज p21. दिस इज x इज अ रैंडम वेरिएबल, तो p21 p22 देन क्या हो जाएगा p2j p2n. ओके, सिमिलरली pxi वाले में होगा, फिर इसका xm पॉइंट तक होंगे बिकॉज़ x के रैंडम इवेंट कैसे हैं, x1 x2 x3 दैट इज xm इज द लास्ट इवेंट, दैट इज pm1 pmj कहां तक जाएगा pmn तक. अच्छा आप बताओ, मींस सिग्मा pij इक्वल्स टू 0. मैं इसको लिख सकता हूं p11 p12 p13 p1n तक. अगर मैं समेशन करूंगा सारी इस पूरी रो का, पूरे all the elements of this row, then summation will be called p1 star, means पूरी रो का हो गया. Similarly this is called p2 star. Similarly if we summation of all the element of this column, then p11 p21 pm1, that means this is called p star 1. Okay, as we know the condition of joint probability density function, that is sigma pij equals to 1. So when you see this one, this means total of all these p1 star p2 star and pm star or p star 1 p star 2 p star n का total क्या होगा, that is 1. Now marginal probability function, we assume that the joint distribution of 2D discrete random variable xy is given, then probability distribution of x or the marginal probability function of x, that means probability of x equals to xi, मीन्स x इक्वल टू xi किसी एक पर्टिकुलर इवेंट पे लेंगे एंड y टेकन एंड ऑल द पॉइंट्स. Okay, means x equal to probability of x equals to xi. This is called probability mass, probability marginal probability function. Sorry, probability of x equals to xi intersection y equals to y1 r. Probability of x equals to xi intersection y equals to y2. तो p1 pi1 pi2 कहां तक होगा? दैट इज pin तक समेशन हो जाएगा. तो समेशन ऑफ j इक्वल्स टू 1 to n pij. तो कहां तक मिलेगा? pi स्टार. दिस इज कॉल्ड marginal. And if we summation of all these pi star, that means p1 star p2 star, इसका क्या होगा? 1. Similarly, अगर py equals to yj पे निकालना है तो क्या होगा? Probability of x equals to xi intersection y equals to yj. We can write that कि p एक बार i की वैल्यू क्या लेंगे? 1 लेंगे, दूसरी बार 2 लेंगे, सॉरी x equals to xi intersection y equals to yj, p1j p2j, that is pmj. So when we summation of all these, then its value will be 1. Now the conditional probability function of x, if I'm saying probability of x equals to xi where y equals to yj are given, that means अच्छा हमें पता होता था कि what is the conditional probability? Probability of a where b is given, that means probability of a intersection b, probability of a where b is given, that means probability of a intersection b upon probability of b, same as. Then if I'm saying probability of x equals to xi where y equals to yj is given, that means probability of x equals to xi intersection y equals to yj upon probability of y equals to yj. Understood? This can be written as x equals to xi intersection y equals to yj can be written as pij. That means x equals to xi and y equals to yj, that is pij upon. If I'm saying y equals to yj, this can be written as this. Look at this table. This is p equals to y equals to yj. Y equals to yj. This can be written as p star j. Understood? Because y1 पे क्या है? p star 1, then j पे क्या होगा? p star j. p star j. Two random variable is independent. If two random variable are independent, then probability of x equals to xi comma y equals to yj equals to probability of x equals to xi into y equals to yj. Understood? Okay. Cumulative distribution function. If I'm talking about CDF, cumulative joint cumulative distribution function, let xy be a two-dimensional random variable, then the CDF of xy is defined by f of xy equals to probability of x is less or equal to x and y is less or equals to y. If I want to write this one, so I equals sigma j p I j, y is less or equals to yj is less or equals to y and xi is less or equals to x. Properties of CDF: f of minus infinity to y, f of minus infinity comma y. If I x की वैल्यू माइनस इन्फिनिटी, y इज द कांस्टेंट, y सेम है f of minus infinity पे और y पे जीरो क्या वैल्यू क्या होगी? जीरो. f of x comma minus infinity मीन्स y की वैल्यू माइनस इन्फिनिटी होगी तब क्या होगा? जीरो. f of minus infinity comma infinity वैल्यू होगी 1. f of x comma y is a monotonic non decreasing function. Property of CDF है f, capital F is a CDF. Understood है? Small f is a PDF and capital F is a CDF. So f of xy, that is capital F of xy, is a monotonic and non decreasing function. The probability of x greater than a less than b comma y less or equals to y is equal to capital F, that means CDF of b comma y minus a comma y. That means probability of x is less or equals to x, y c to d, then f of xd minus f of xc at all points continuity of density function means CDF is continuous at all point. That del 2 f upon del x del y. If I'm differentiate, if I'm having a CDF, how can I find the PDF? PDF फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करोगे आप उसको 2 टाइम्स डिफरेंशिएट करोगे. दैट अगर हमारे पास डिस्क्रीट केस में CDF होता था तो हम कैसे PDF निकालते थे. इफ आई एम हैविंग अ CDF इन कंटिन्यूअस केस इन वन वेरिएबल तो हम क्या करते थे उसको वन टाइम डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे थे एक्स के रेस्पेक्ट में. अगर मेरे पास CDF है यहाँ पे तो ज्वाइंट प्रोबेबिलिटी 2 डायमेंशनल का है. So I am differentiating this one with respect to x and y both. Okay. This is a partial differentiation. Okay. Understood? Now, write down one example. For the following bivariate probability distribution of x and y, if x and y both are given as this is your distribution table, this is your x, and these are your y. If x equal to 0, 1, 2, and y equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. If x equal to 0, y equals to 0, that means 1 by 32. That is called P00. X equal to 0 and y equals to 1. That is called P01. 2 by 32. X equal to 0, y equal to 2. This is called P02. That is 3 by 32. X equal to 0, y equal to 3. That is called P03. That is 2 by 32. Understood? Okay. If x equals to 1, y equals to 0, that means P10, 2 by 32. Similarly, P11, 1 by 8, P2, P12, 1 by 4, P13, 1 by 32. Similarly, 20, 21, P22, P23. Okay. I want to find first probability of x less or equals to 1, comma y equals to 3 पे. Means x less or equals to 1 पे निकालना और y is a constant value at y equals to 3. Next one is find the probability of y less or equals to 2 at all point of x. Find the probability of x less or equal to 1 where y less or equals to 2 is given. Probability. This is a conditional probability. Understood? Okay. In first case, first we complete the table. आपने देखो, this one is your complete table. Means आपको क्या करना है, इस x y पे टेबल गिवन है, that means क्या निकालना, P1 स्टार, P2 स्टार, P3 स्टार, Pm स्टार. और यहाँ पे क्या निकालना होगा आपको, P स्टार 1, P स्टार 2, जब आपको वैल्यू निकालना होगा, देन टोटल क्या होना चाहिए 1, तभी आपको सेटिस्फाई करेगा. Find the solution. So P11 table completed. Then add all the element of this row. Okay. So 1 by 32, 2 by 32, 3 by 32, 2 by 32. That means 3 to 5, 2 7, 1 8 by 32. Next one 2 by 32. The 1 by 8 को हम लिख सकते हैं 4 by 32. 1 by 4 को क्या लिख सकते हैं 8 by 32. 1 by 32. That means 15 by 32. Next one 2 by 16 को 4 by 6 32, 0 को 0, 1 by 16 को 2 by 32, then the answer will be 9 by 32. Similarly, if we added P1 star, that means 6 by 32, then P2 star 2 by 32, 11 by 32, 5 by 32, that answer will be, if I added all these horizontal or verticals, so answer क्या होगा, that is will be 1. Now it satisfies the property of PDF. That means Pij is greater or equals to 0, and all the summation of I summation at I and summation at j, Pij equals to 1. If first probability of x less or equals to 1, y and y equals to 3, then we can write that probability of x less or equals to 1, y equals to 3, then x equal to 0, y equal to 3, x equal to 1, y equals to 3. Understood? Because it is x less or equals to 1 ना, that means either 0 or 1. तो और होगा then साइन क्या आता है A और B, that means union. तो यूनियन केस में क्या है 0 and 1 आर, आप सिंपली समझो, when x less or equals to 1 की बात करें, that means x equal to 0 पे होगा और 1 पे होगा, और 1 पे होगा then प्लस साइन आएगा बीच में. तो 2 by 32 x equal to 0 and y equal to 3, x equal to 0 and y equals to 3, that answer will be 2 by 32. Next one, probability of x equals to 1, y equals to 3. X equals to 1, y equals to 3, that is 1 by 32. So answer will be 3 by 32. If I'm talking about y equals to, y less or equal to 2, यानी कि probability of y equal to 0, y equal to 1 and y equal to 2, less or equal to 2 की बात करी गई है. That means, अच्छा आप बताओ, y less or equals to 1, 2, that means y equals to 0. Y equals to 0 is this one. तो y equals to 0 पे total probability कितनी है? That means 6 by 32. Understood? That y equals to 1 पे total probability 10 by 32. Y equals to 2 पे total probability 11 by 32. Add all these, that is 27 by 32. Now, another question. If I'm saying find the probability of x less or equals to 1 where y is less or equals to 2 is given. This is the conditional probability. That answer formula of this one is probability of x less or equals to 1 and comma y less or equals to 2. That means the probability of x less or equals to 1 intersection y less or equal to 2, you can answer also write upon probability of y less or equals to 2. The probability of y less or equals to 2 equals to 27 by 32 as we have computed in previous one. This one is probability of y less or equals to 2. My answer will be 27 by 32. And probability of x less or equals to 1 comma y less or equals to 2, that means probability of x less or equals to 1, that means x less or equal to 1, y equal to 0. If either y variate, either y vary or x vary. Okay, if I'm varying y, then x taken as a constant. Probability of x less or equal to 1, y equal to 0. Probability of x less or equals to 1, y equals to 0, y equals to 1. Probability of x, this is y equals to 1. Okay, x less or equals to 1, y equals to 2. Achha, x less or equals to 1, that means 3 by 32. X less or equals to 1 and y equals to 0. Understood? X less or equals to 1, y equals to 0. Y equals to 0 is this one. And x less or equals to 1, either less than 1 or 0. So x less or equals to 1, the answer will be 13 by 32. Sorry, 3 by 32. Understood? Okay. Next one is x less or equals to 1, either 0 or 1, and y equals to 0. So 1 plus 2, 32. 3 upon 32. Understood? Next one, x less or equals to 1, y equal to 1. X less or equal to 1, y equal to 1. Y equals to 1 is this one. And less or equals to 1, either 0 or 1. That means 2 by 32. And this can be written as 4 by 32. So 4 plus 2, 6 by 32. Next one, x less or equals to 1 and y equals to 2. X less or equals to 1 and y equals to 2. This is y equals to 2 and x less or equals to 1, that is 3 by 32. And this can be written as 8 by 32. So 8 plus 3, 11 by 32. The answer will be 11 plus 6 plus 3. That means 11 plus 6, 17 plus 3, 20. So 20 by 32. And the probability of x less or equals to 1, where y less or equals to 2 is given. That means 20 by 32 upon 27 by 32. 32, 32 cancel out. That answer will be 20 upon 27. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.